In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Coinbase wallet app if it's not working properly. It's quite frustrating when your app fails to function as expected, but with these steps, you'll be able to solve most issues in just about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, let's try force closing and reopening the app. This simple action can resolve temporary glitches or freezes that may be causing issues. On most smartphones, you can force close an app by navigating to your app settings or by swiping up to show your open apps and swiping away the Coinbase wallet app. Once it's closed, wait a moment, then reopen the app and check if things are back to normal. If that didn't do the trick, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. App developers regularly release updates to improve performance, fix bugs, and enhance security. Head to your device's App Store, either on the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS, and check if there's an update available for the Coinbase Wallet app. If there is, go ahead and update it. Sometimes it's the simplest steps that work wonders, like restarting your phone. This can often fix minor software issues or network connectivity problems that may be influencing the app's performance. Once your device has fully restarted, try opening the app again. Next, ensure you have a stable internet connection. The Coinbase Wallet app requires a reliable internet connection to function correctly. Whether you're connected via Wi-Fi or using mobile data, verify that your connection is strong and stable. You might want to test your internet speed or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if there's an improvement. When these steps fail, uninstalling and then reinstalling the app could be the solution you need. This effectively resets the app, clearing it of any corrupted data or issues. Go to your app settings, find the Coinbase Wallet app and select uninstall. Head back to your app store and reinstall it. Log back in and hopefully the app will now work smoothly. If you've recently reinstalled the app or faced data loss, you might need to restore your wallet using your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet and accessing your funds. Enter it carefully within the app to restore your wallet's information. Finally, if all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Coinbase support for further assistance. They can offer specific troubleshooting advice tailored to your situation. You can reach them through their website or the help section within the app. By following these steps, you should hopefully have your Coinbase wallet app functioning as expected. Remember, technology isn't perfect, but with a little patience and the right approach, most issues can be resolved. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you today.